In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Drive with your PC fast and easy. This tutorial is specially crafted for beginners, so whether you're new to Google Drive or just want a straightforward guide, I'll walk you through every step of the process. To begin, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and visit drive.google.com. Once you're there, look for the option to download Google Drive for desktop. This is essential because the desktop application enables you to sync files directly with your PC, making your work more streamlined and accessible. When you find the option, click on it to start the download process. For this tutorial, we'll focus on Windows, so click on the button labeled Download for Windows. After downloading, it's time to install Google Drive. Navigate to your Downloads folder where the installation file should be located. Launch the installer by double-clicking on it and follow the on-screen instructions. The installation should proceed smoothly, but make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any hiccups. Once installation is complete, Google Drive will automatically open or can be accessed from the Start menu. If it doesn't launch right away, simply open it manually from the Start menu by searching for Google Drive. As Google Drive opens, you'll see a settings icon, usually depicted as a gear icon. Click on this settings icon to access a drop-down menu. Now, select Preferences from the options provided. This section is where you'll configure which folders on your PC you want to sync with Google Drive. Next, you'll see an option labeled Add Folder from your computer. Click on this, which will open a file browser window. Here, navigate to and select the specific folder or folders you want to sync. This feature is particularly useful if you have particular projects or collections of files that need to be accessible from multiple devices. You can select one or multiple folders depending on your requirements. After choosing your folders, the final step is to click on Done. This will initiate the syncing process. And from this point forward, any changes you make to these files or folders on your PC will automatically be mirrored in your Google Drive, and vice versa. And voila, you're all set. Your selected folders are now syncing with Google Drive. Remember, having a reliable backup plan is always a good idea. And synchronizing your files with Google Drive not only offers convenience, but also ensures your important data is always protected. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has helped you sync your files easily. If you have any questions or need further assistance,